You talking to me? You talking to me? You must be talking to me. I don't see nobody else around here. You talking to me? You better not be talking because I'm faster than you. That's right. You're dead. You talking to me? You coming out to New Paradigm? You coming to New Paradigm on Friday? Come on. Come on a little closer. I've been practicing. That's right. You better not be talking to me. You come out and see Gemini. Come out and see Gemini at New Paradigm. This is a fake gun. I don't believe in real guns. But you know what? I'm talking to you. Come on out to New Paradigm Friday night, 9 o'clock. Gemini in Elkhart. You're talking to me.